To permanently install Dreadlock extensions, you will need a locking hook, some Dreadlock extensions, some scissors, some sectioning clips, and a towel comb. For doing this process, we recommend that you section the hair using the brick pattern as it's clear and concise. If you have our human hair Dreadlock extensions, you'll want to determine how you want the tips. If you want the wispy tips left at the end of the dreadlock, you'll need to snip the blunted end open to create a loose hair effect. This is the end we'll be using to attach to your existing hair. However, if you want the blunted tip to be left at the tip of the dreadlock, you can simply use the wispy end to connect to your existing hair. At this stage, you can use a latch hook, which will give it additional strength when attaching the two sections together. Feed the latch hook through the centre of the dreadlock and out through the connecting end. Once it's come through the other side, you can attach it to your existing dreadlock and pull the hair through. Make sure you pull the hair through the entire centre of the dreadlock, which will give it extra strength. At this next stage, we're going to take the locking hook to stitch in all those loose hairs together to give it strength in the hold. I'll put a link in the description to our other video, how to use a crochet hook for a more detailed approach. For now, this is a two-part approach, so the first section we're pulling in here is the top of the hairs, and the second part you can see here, we've got the hairs at the bottom. We're just going to use the rip and twist method to bush up those remaining hairs, and then use the locking hook to stitch in the last hairs, giving the final fix. This method means you won't need any additional products to secure the hair in place. No needles, no threads, just the hair and a locking hook.